Hello everyone. So the objective of making this video is to address the pain dead error when we install CentOS. To install CentOS, you can visit to the CentOS website and you click on download. I have downloaded x86 64. It is already downloaded. It will take a couple of time if you are doing it for the first time. Once it is downloaded, yeah, I'm using VMware workstation, and you can use Oracle VirtualBox also. So process will be straightforward. It's next I have already choose my image. This is my CentOS image which I am using. This is stream. So generally what we have two versions of the CentOS. If you look into this one, we have two version, either CentOS Linux or CentOS Stream. I have downloaded CentOS Stream. So yeah, so I'll follow the step by step process. I'm just giving a name to this machine, CentOS 8. I'll give G, and one user I'm creating. So once it is been done, I'll proceed and was G, and I will choose my D drive because like these days a C drive is flash and the size is very small, so it's up to you like where you want to install. So I'll create a one folder under VM CentOS 8G. You can give any name over here. Once it has been done, go click next, and I'll give 50 as it is it is thin provisioned. It's not like web provisioning 50 GB in one shot. So if you'll check the customizing, check about the customizing, you will see like only the one OS drive is CD ROM is getting attached. So I'll finish, and that CD ROM contains my ISO image. So what it happens like during its boot menu, it will try to look for the boot, and it will look for my ISO from where it will try to boot. So when I was doing for the first time, I was facing some challenge, and going further, like once the installation begin, it will demonstrate. We'll wait for a couple of seconds. Yeah, so now it is starting to switch to the root, and like it will try to install. We'll wait, and then the challenge what I have been facing during installation, I thought like many other people must be facing, so it's better to share so that they could also save some time instead of doing necessary unnecessary work. So yeah, so if you'll see my console right now, yeah, this is a dead pain is dead. This is a challenge. And as you know, like during my installation, I had only one CD ROM attached in that ISO, but unfortunately it is looking for autoinst.iso, and this is the root cause of this particular dead pain. So what I'll do, I'll just power off this machine. I'll go in settings, and I have to power off the machine. Yeah, power off the machine. It got suspended. So I'll go in settings, and simply I'll remove this. So this much work is good enough to address the error, the pain is dead error. If you are trying to install CentOS 8 on your hypervisor software. So here it is. Like now it is simple step to step process what we do in the rest of the other operating system like RHL or CentOS 7. So like this, and now I'll let it run for a couple of minutes to show like the concern has been addressed. Yes, starting the installer. If we'll get a error, same error, it will come after this particular step. The pane is dead. So if it pass, it means that was a possible, that was the error, and like I spent a lot of time in finding out what was the reason why I couldn't able to get the proper installer. So like I know like that one was a root cause analysis, like that CD ROM was getting attached, and now yeah, the rest of the process is pretty much straightforward. So I'll just do the needful to install CentOS. Yeah, I'm using my time zone. I'm in. I'll select the region where I am. I'll select the drive where I want to install. I'll go with the recommended. Then it is for my personal use, so I'm just giving it some random, and it is for my personal use. So one more thing, like you, it's up to you whether you want minimal or GUI. So by default it selects GUI, so I'll go with the GUI for the time being. And yeah, once you have selected your disk, what sort of installation you want, you reset your password, then you can begin the installation. And yeah, that's all. So this is how you address your pane is dead error. Thank you.